Cryptoslo, cryptocurrency news and investing.
Let's talk OnChainScores. So I've been following this project, doing little updates here. If you're following me on Twitter, first and foremost, OnChainScores seems to be a gamified NFT system, similar to Tetris or something like that, where you're trying to stack blocks. And from the looks of it, there'll be a console which would read the NFTs that are in your wallet, and then you can arrange those NFTs in order to build a score. Now, some of the things we don't know: would the NFTs burn after you combine them? Is there a prize? You know, does the score get you a prize? Have they somehow found a way to monetize the whole game so that your score would actually get you cash? Like, what's the incentive besides gamification? Although it would still be cool just to have a cool NFT game. Just because, to my knowledge, no one's really done anything like this. If they deliver. So we got that out of the way. Now let's talk about this whole whitelist process. So they've basically are running a Twitter campaign where you tweet and comment to earn allocation points towards the whitelist. Now well, first and foremost, let me say, you don't know if the points, so each tweet or whatever, you get points. Now let me say this, at first I was just retweeting with my ETH address and I did not seem to be accumulating points. Then I switched to commenting and I got some points. So make sure you're commenting your ETH and retweeting. So that's important. But I'm pretty sure, because I had like 80 retweets and I had 1 point and I was like, what in the heck's going on? So anyways, make sure you're putting it in the comments. These are dropping like every 7 minutes. So hopefully it's getting like end roundish to where these points will accumulate. So I've talked about how you get points, okay? And if you don't follow me on Twitter, follow me on Twitter. And, you know, like I said, my timeline's going to be filled with a lot of OnChainScores initially because I'm trying to make points, right? So that's that. Now, how is this whitelist tiered action going to happen? There's a couple ways it could go down. They could create an OnChainScores token, and those points would be turned into tokens, and then you use the tokens to mint block NFTs, right? That's one possibility. The other possibility is that the points from the competition would just be the start. There'll be tiers depending on how many points you got, and then, you know, you'll just cash your points on, you'll get your initial set of blocks. So I'm not sure. To me, it would be interesting if they did create a token and then those points turned into tokens, and then it costs X amount of points to mint an NFT. So, you know, that is still to be determined. To me, it's a really interesting project because if they deliver the gamification mixed with NFTs with the possibility for some prizes, it could blow up, you know. Now, I've followed a lot of things and they turned out to be dirt, but I don't know. The devs seem to be pretty responsive and such to questions, and should be very interesting. Now the question is, will the blocks be more valuable by themselves, or is it more valuable to play the game? Obviously, you know, you could run that either way, so that's completely up to you. But at a minimum, I am going to chase it. I'm going to continue to follow and retweet, and once the game launches, I'll probably do a more in-depth review on this OnChainScores project. So hope you liked today's video. Like I said, follow me at BitcoinSlo. As always, this is Cryptoslo. If you're not talking gains, then we're not talking.